280 Peterbilt Hot Rod project, 1 to 10 scale, exactly 1 to 10. It's a Lord Hot Rod Peterbilt custom truck. It's still in work progress, and it's completely full custom, self-made. Has an aluminium U-profile shaped frame with a deck plate on it. There came the fifth wheel on it. It's completely custom sleeper on the back. Custom built front end. Has the Tamiya 3-speed gearbox on it, underneath it. Has a fully spring setup in it with coil springs front and back. Has these cool fenders on the old school rigs. Has this completely lowered frame. The holes for the side marker lights, steps came over that. It's a completely hot rod body work. It's not an original 280 truck cab. It's a completely new build thing with the fenders and the grill and them stuff. The front bumper is only put in for holding the space for the real bumper that comes in later on. And there's the Tamiya MFT1 in it. And it's a very cool thing, this whole truck. Show you from underneath. There's some flaps on it, some roof pieces, not roof, hood. And side panels, they came vents like this vents, longer on deeper, came apart vents in this, and out of the vents came flames, hot rod flames. There came some air cleaners on it. There came big stacks on it. It's a completely custom built thing. Some hot rod in the wheel rod. For me, is in the wheel rod. This truck is basically built from the scratch. Some hot rod dude has picked it up an old frame, left in a salvage yard, and there's nothing left over like the frame and the engine maybe, and he built his own complete design with the hood, the cab, the fenders, step rails. He built it all completely by himself, and he loves the old trucks, the 280s and 351s, but he built his own complete cab, make it a little bit narrower than the original, and make it a complete hot rod truck out of it, because he's a hot rod dude, and he builds this thing maybe for a hot rod shop truck or maybe something, and this is what he does. This is the story of this truck when it's in the wheel world. And I'm a hot rod guy, I'm a truck guy, more a truck guy, and I'm building hot rod stuff and truck stuff in LC, mostly bigger scales, 1 to 6, and now I'm building for my Tamiya passenger cars, I was my main building this truck to have a truck in the scale and can drive this truck with the cars together. And this is the thing I do here with my own creations completely, and my own customized parts for it. That's some things like the Carson X crawler. There's the rims from it, and this is a Apsima 9.6 centimeter wheels, tires on these wheels, and Tamiya transmission, as I say before. and some custom pieces, back axle from a crawler from the brand of Carrera. They made these slot cars, and they have a crawler and 1/10 scale as well back in the days, and not available at this point, I think. And some stuff I make completely by myself. It's all plastic here, see, plastic, and some a little bit aluminium with it in it. The frame is aluminium with plastic on it, and this is plastic, this is plastic. I built it completely scratch. You see, the paint on this truck is the original car paint. It's not model paint. This flat black is as well original car paint, like the fenders, and it's all primered with plastic primer and stuff like that, and it's built together like this way. And this is aluminum front grille in it, and this is plastic. You can see the back, this is yellow plastic, some warning signs like keep the driveway clear or something. And this is from this side, a chrome foil over there to mimic a chrome bumper. That's the look I'm building this. You see this thing? It's absolutely hot rod custom car. Oh, that's a little video about that truck, and it's still in work progress, and I hope I can drive this weekend a little bit with it. I have already now made the bumper on it, the back bumper, and I must bolt it a little bit more and make some structural things to it that not ripped apart so easily. And that's a cool thing. These are control lights of real cars. When you have a function in your car, switch on the function, you have a control light. This is like this bulbs are, and this is the same. This is in clear, this is in red, and this outer ring is a keychain ring, a small diameter. Its inner diameter is 13 and this outer is 15 millimeter. I don't know exactly, it's an inch right now. Maybe in the next video I say this in inch for you American and English people, Canadian something. There's a little hole in it. There comes the license plate lightning in. There comes a lightning license plate in it, and that's very original stuff. The lighting systems on this thing is here is a additional backup light or working light. This is the standard backup lights. There's a tail light, brake light, and there's 2 amperes each side. And this is only potential lights, so marker lights, we call it. That's the thing I do here. And here comes a little box for the trailer connections on it, to hook up all my fake air lines and my power supply lines. That is what I do here. Thank you for watching, and share with me your stuff that you build. You're a hot rodder, you're a truck guy, or something else you are. Keep on model building and driving and have fun with it. Thank you, bye bye.